guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a review on a product that is actually not very new. At least I don't think it's new. It's been a while. It's been out for maybe, I actually don't know how long it's been out for, but it's just something that's not new to the market. It is called Juvalips. It is basically a lip plumping device. As everyone knows who follows me, like if you know me in real life or if you follow me on Instagram, YouTube, whatever, knows that I love big lips. I've always loved large lips. I overline my lips. I recently had some Botox and stuff in my lips done, so and this was rather recent, but I really enjoy large lips, so I'm actually really excited to try this. It was sent to me, so that is something I need to disclose. This has been sent to me to try. I was not paid to do this review, but it was sent to me, so yes. Okay, so everything I get in the box, you get the big box itself of the Juvalips lip plumper. You get, I guess, a little instruction booklet. You get some 20 replacement pads, a lip plumping serum, and you also get a replacement or different size mouthpiece. This is a medium size mouthpiece. Now, this is the basic kit set. So this one on the website right now it's 25% off. I don't know how long that promotion is going to last for, so it should range around $127 for all this. They do have it where you could just get just this device on its own, and I believe just the device on its own is like $112. I can't remember off the top of my head. I will link these down in the description box below, so that way you can pick this up yourself if you wish to do so. So yeah, so I just did my makeup, a brand new makeup look. Let me know if you want to see how I did this look, and I will definitely film a video on it. But I did my makeup so that way I wouldn't look weird with plump lips and no makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and try this device. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. Looks just like this. It is, you use batteries in it, and it does, oh I see, it does come with batteries as well, and it also comes with even more pads inside the little container. And it also comes with a little like baggie that says Juvalips on it that you can store your device in. So I probably should have set this up before filming, but I wanted this to be as authentic as possible, obviously, to show like what you get inside. So this device requires 2 AAA batteries, which the first 2 AAA batteries are included in the box. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put them in here now, or at least try to. Okay, so I did that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions to you, so then that way we can make sure that I am doing this properly and correctly. If I could get this little container back on, there we go. Okay, so in the side, this little container or thing, it says, so it has 4 different step thingies on it. So the first one says, it's a strong seal. A strong seal between the device and your mouth is the key to great results. If air is able to get in between or around your lips, your Juvalips device won't be able to create a vacuum. It helps you apply some lip balm, and to wet the pink portion of the Juvalips mouthpiece, make sure to wiggle your lips around until you feel like you're creating a strong seal. So you need to make sure you have a strong seal, relaxed lips, then you can get the ultimate plump, and you continuously use it for longer lasting results. The actual instructions themselves are in this little pamphlets. Yes. On the back it tells you like each piece, the replacement pieces, how to use it, and then also at the bottom it has the instructions on it. So with the instructions it says install the 2 AAA batteries that you got, wet your lips, or apply lip balm before using. So I'm going to actually, I didn't put lip balm on because I wasn't sure if that's what it said to use lip balm, so I am going to use a lip balm. I'm going to use, Luna, shh. I'm going to use the, and you can see her jumping around back there like she's crazy. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. This is my favorite lip balm. Really moisturizes my lips. Okay, So step 2 is done. Step 3, simply place Juvalips device against your lips and push and release the power button. Allow an airtight seal to form. It is automatically timed and should stop after 60 seconds. So I will zoom in for this portion of that so we can like truly see. This is the before. Please keep in mind that my lips do have like my lips were done at one point, so this is not like non-done lips. That's why I have bruises too. It says, as you use the device, you will feel a gentle pulling in of your lips into the mouthpiece. This is normal, and you should allow your lips to be pulled in. After the first application, you can check the results and repeat the steps above until desired fullness is reached. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I just want to see. So it says to just go ahead and put your lips in it. It says to wet it, though. So if you're a little weirded out by spit, I'm so sorry about that, but I just wanted to wet this. And then I guess we're just gonna try it and see. It says hold it. It has an automatic timer in it, so it will stop after 60 seconds.
This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the
Oh wow. Oh my. Yeah, that did work. That definitely worked. Okay. And I'm actually like really loving it. I'm really happy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, these are my lips are relaxed. I really like that. That's like, oh my god. So ever since that I did the procedure or whatever, I've been taking my lips and I've been doing this or sitting like this, so that way my lips will like plump themselves or something. I had hair in my mouth from that filter thing, but this brought out the fullness that I was missing. Look at that. So it says you can do another 60 seconds if you want to. I think that's what it said. I'm gonna go ahead and read the rest of the directions after those steps for you guys. It says, so that was step 5. After the first application, you can check the results and repeat the steps above until the desired fullness is reached. So if you feel like this is not enough for you, then you can go ahead and keep on doing it. You're not gonna like truly hurt yourself. Like, you know, like the Kylie Jenner challenge where people using with like shot glasses and then their lips are like, you know, insane. This is not gonna do that to you. Number 6, as you become more comfortable using the device, you can experiment with working it around your lips to get the desired results. For example, you can work the bottom or top lips independently if needed. So let's say you felt like your top lip was like super plump and your bottom lip was just like missing out on all the fun. You can just put your bottom lip right in it and plump that too. 7, do not overuse Juvalips device, as this can result in your lips getting sore and or bruised. While some such reactions are rare and temporary, it is best to start out slowly so as to not encounter any of these issues. So I guess don't go insane where you're like, oh my god, I want big lips, I guess. The soft contoured mouthpiece is designed to prevent most bruising, but you may see a temporary red mark around your lips. This should disappear in a matter of a few minutes. Step 9, Juvalips are a removable or has a removable mouthpiece for easy cleaning. So that means this little pink part right here, you can just pop it off. Or does it mean the whole thing? Oh, okay, so now that I took off this part, you can see the little pink pieces in there. So I'm assuming it means that comes off. Yeah, I'm assuming it means that comes off. Or maybe it means the whole entire thing. But regardless, it popped off pretty easily, and I was able to place it back on pretty smoothly with no issue. The mouthpiece can easily be cleaned with mild soap and water. To reinstall the mouthpiece, place a small dab of lip balm on the O-ring, which helps it assemble to seal faster. Oh, so then this part does come off. I just haven't gotten it off. I'm gonna play around with it a little bit more later, but the pink part, I guess, really does come off. Number 10, we recommend you do not share your mouthpiece with others. Obviously not. Okay. So I'm actually like, okay, so obviously I've had this bruise on my lip already, so the Juvalip thing did not cause that bruise. I've already had that bruise, but I'm really happy with it. So let's go ahead and put on some lip products. The worst part is that we all know that I'm never prepared for these videos, and even though I knew I was going to do a lip video, I should have, you know, had some sort of lip product ready and available, but I don't, so give me a second. Okay, so I'm back. We're going to use the Morphe lip pencil in the shade Bite Me. Spicy. So I'm just going to line my lips. Oh wow, okay, wait. So, my lips didn't, I don't know if my lips had all, I don't know. Never mind. The only unfortunate thing about this is that I can't tell you what bruises this caused because I already had bruises. So at this point, I'm just going to say that these bruises I have on my lips are bruises that I've had before this, because I'm seeing new bruises here. Like I have one here, which I had. And there is some bruising here, but I think that's from previous. And if you ask, yes, I'm overlining my lips again. Well, not as much as I usually do, but it's out of habit at this point. It's just something that I've always done, and it's like literally second nature at this point. And I'm gonna use MAC's lip stick in the color Yash. I'm just gonna, oh my god, pat it in. And there we go. And now I have lipstick all over my finger. Gross. Well, not gross, but okay. So yeah. What do you guys think? My thoughts on this device is that I really enjoyed it. I really liked it. It gave me that ounce of like oomph that I was missing in my lips to begin with. So I'm actually very happy with it. I'm going to leave the links down in the description on where to buy these, exact links and all that kind of stuff. I believe I have a discount code. I need to check my email to see if I do or not. If I do, I'll link it down below as well. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your evening, morning, noon, night, whenever I upload this.